Tools for research and pharmacy practice. The second session will cover how hospital and community pharmacists will use relevant tools to block the loop in antimicrobial stewardship. You will agree with me that a lot of antimicrobial stewardship issues are still very prominent in Nigeria, and we want pharmacists to take the lead in ensuring that there is good stewardship in the use of antimicrobials. At the end of today, the last session will be the interactive session, more of like town hall meeting with fellows and the Association of Consultant Pharmacists of Nigeria. That session will be like a peer review interaction where consultants that have been so appointed from facilities that have those facilities that have been appointed will interact with those facilities, delegates from facilities that have not been so appointed, so that we can compare notes and see where the Nigeria chapter can come in together with the ASCOP to ensure that every nook and cranny of Nigeria consultant pharmacists are appointed and rendering their service. That will be the end of day one. Then tomorrow, which is the main event, we'll have about 4 sessions. The first session is actually the opening ceremony, where the keynote speaker, who is already with us, Dr. Muftihat Olulawal, will deliver the keynote on the theme of the conference. The conference is going to be chaired by our own Dr. Dere Awoshika, who we are duly informed that she had her mom passed away, and the burial is this week. So I'm using this forum to inform that she has sent in her apologies, and we do understand that definitely this is a very trying moment for her, and the national executive have also moved on to get the consent and approval of our own pioneer chairman of the chapter, in person of Dr. Ike, to chair the conference tomorrow. So equally eminent in his own capacity will chair the conference tomorrow to stand in for our own Dr. Dere Awoshika. Then immediately after the formal opening ceremony, there will be keynotes, there will be goodwill messages, and also remarks will be given by our dignitaries that have so indicated interest to participate. And there will be launching of our rebranded chapter newsletter in that session. Thereafter, we'll go into the panel discussion. 2 panel discussions are scheduled with the relevance of themes on improving local manufacturing of medicines and also ensuring patient safety and medication safety. It will be moderated by our own expert. Dr. Chijoke Onyia will moderate one session, and Professor Joda will moderate the second. After that, immediately, we will go into the AGM. The AGM promises to be very interesting because there are a lot of trends that the chapter needs to take account of and positions taken by the almighty AGM. That will be the end of the day, and departure will be tomorrow, as the case may be. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Its main objective is to support the activities of the college in advancing pharmaceutical care practices, improving skills among our pharmacists, and promoting medication safety and clinical skills among our pharmacists. And to improve or coordinate our activities, the Nigerian chapter operates the zonal, works through the zonal structure. And what do I mean by that? We have different zones in Nigeria. Currently, we have about...
I am Angela also. I work for the Punch newspaper. I'm the health editor. Sorry. Fake antibiotics. And of course, I know you talked about patient safety. We have in Russia, based on the interactive section that you asked us to ask our questions, I have a question on the soft thing.